Hello and welcome to day number 63, and this is the 5 Luo words a day. In today's video we shall talk about Apondo, Apoth and Aput. If you've not been following these sessions, please go back to day number 1 and you'll be really enjoy the sessions. Apondo. Apondo comes from the word pondo, which means hide. So Apondo means hollow between two hills which cannot be seen, so it's hidden. Apondo or opondo is something that is hidden somewhere. In a sentence you can say Dala nyar suba opondo e kind gode ariyo ka. So Nyasuba's home is hidden from view between those two hills. Dala nyar suba opondo e kind gode ariyo ka. Then our second word is apoth. Apoth. Apoth is a slimy vegetable. It's called Cochoras oli. Sorry for misspelling that. Alot apoth ridore gi kuon mar omuogo. Alot apoth ridore gi kuon mar omuogo. So the vegetable looks like the one on the picture here. Then the third word of the day is apoth. Apoth is also semen. The semen is called apoth. And the fourth word is aput. Aput is insufficient amount of sharing. So in a sentence you can say Omiya ma put or Omiya aput. Omiya aput. That is insufficient amount. And the last word today is aput, which is a disease of animals. It is a small swelling around the mouth that looks like yaw's disease. Which the animal loses some skin, some fur, and then there is a hard swelling that occurs there. That is called aput. Tuo mar aput, aput disease. I hope that you enjoyed these 5 Luo words a day, and you'll give the channel a subscription or a like to the video. Please share this video to with your friends, and you can always go back through the channel to see all the other words that we've talked about before. I would like to leave you and say, see you tomorrow. Oriti.